We are participating for years together. This may be our 12th year, 13th participation. So we used to be here in the same place, and we are participating this exhibition for years together. I told you.
What are the specialty of your product?
Our specialty is, you can see that we are producing some innovative products in poultry and as well as the dairy and at the aqua sectors. So our products are always um, uh, established for the non-antibiotic approach. You know, now people are looking for the safe feeds. So feed hygiene is a very factor, and antimicrobial resistance is a big concern throughout the world right now. So what EW Nutrition thinks, we are producing those kind of products which is alternative or substitute of the antibiotics. So we suppose, you know, there is a indiscriminate use of antibiotics in poultry. So we think the EW Nutrition, we need to reduce the harmful substances from the poultry feed, and we are producing those kind of innovative products which can replace or can be the alternative of antibiotics. So we have our R&Ds in Germany. In Cologne, Germany, we have our main R&D, and other than that, we have R&D in Japan, Gefu in Japan, Curitiba in Brazil, Coimbatore in India, and another in China also. So we have a lot of R&Ds. One of the main thing of EW Nutrition is what we produce, that we only sell. We do not import and sell the products. So all our research and development based products, and our scientists are working day by day, so developing new products, and that is why EW Nutrition always says that a functional innovation backed by science. So always we do the scientific job, and we are trying to produce the new generation product for the poultry, which can be the beneficial and which can make a sustainable profitability to the customer, and that's, you can say, that's our mission.
Who are your targeted customers?
Our targeted customers are mainly the commercial feed manufacturers, integrators, layer feed manufacturers. So we produce all sector of feed. You know, we work on the gut health. Gut health is a big subject for poultry. There are two subjects, we believe, that one is respiratory problem and one is gut health problem. These two problems are there in poultry. So our main working area is gut health. So we produces the phytogenic products which is which acting as a gut health, is a proper digestion and the good body weight and FCR of the bird. So we mainly work for the three sectors: one for the gut health, one for the early chick nutrition when the chicks has come. So we have some different kind of probiotics that can be given to chicks. So that is early chick nutrition, and our other segment is toxin risk management. We have new type of toxin risk evolution machines. So we calculate the toxins in the feed or in the other ingredients, and then we have our own software. So we put that value into our software, and that indicates the dose of the product, and so it is very scientific. This is one of the sector, and also we are in the feed hygiene, where we produce the acid-based products. We have our own plants, one in Gujarat and another in Bengaluru, and another plant we are going to set up. And other than that, there are 7 other plants in the different parts of the world, like I told, USA, Brazil, Spain, Germany, China, India. So all there are manufacturing plants, and that's, you can say, a summary of our company.
All the very best.
Thank you so much. And I know Hybris TV, they are covering for a long period. So congratulations to you also. Thank you.